Hi there and welcome to the channel. In this video we will be looking at how to wirelessly connect your Android device and debug your Flutter application. So before we get started with the video, there are a few requirements that are needed. One is that wireless debugging works on Android versions 11 and greater, so you have to check that on your device. The next is that you need to install Android Studio on your device, so either Windows, Mac OS or Linux. You can do that by navigating to Android Studio download for Windows. So since I am using the Windows platform, this is the you will be given this link to download it for how to download it for your device. So the Android Studio team have this great documentation on how to download it for Windows, what the requirements are. You just follow these instructions and you will be downloading Android Studio. So once you've downloaded Android Studio and checked your Android version, the next step is you need to add this ADB or Android device bridge to your environment variable. So to do this, you will be navigating to this PC. So by going to C users MK, which is the local account on my PC, so this name might be different in your case. Going to this, go to the app data folder, then local, then go to Android. You will see this Android folder. Go to the Android folder, then the SDK, then the platform tools folder inside this SDK. So inside here you will be seeing this ADB application here, which is the one we want. So click on the path here and just copy it, since we will be using it to add it to the environment variable. So just control C here, copy this name, then come back to the search bar here and search for environment. Here you will see this edit the system environment variables. Click on it. You will be seeing this system properties pane. Click on the environment variables here and you will see all the environment variables in this account. So what we want is this path here. Click on it, click on edit, then you will be adding it. So since I've already added it before, as you can see here, but you just need to click on this new and then paste the path you just copied from the previous step. You add it there, and finally once it's been added, you click on OK. So this is how you would add it, the ADB to environment variable, and then click on OK and OK. So to check that it has been installed correctly, open PowerShell, then type in ADB -- version. So this will be bringing you this Android debug bridge version and installed where the path of the executable is. So with that, we have added the ADB inside your environment variables on Windows. So we've covered this. The second step is just opening the developer tools on your Android 4, and we will be pairing it with code, and we will be doing that next. Okay, I am on my phone right now. So I will be showing you how check the Android version so that you can know if your device can or allow wireless debugging. And the second is enable the developer options and run your application on your phone. So first thing is you navigate to settings, then scroll down to the bottom of the options and go to the about phone section. Once you come here, you will also scroll down again and go to the software information. So here, as you can see, my Android version is 16, so it allows wireless debugging since it's Android version 11 and above that allows wireless debugging. So now that I know that, I can just, to enable developer option, just tap the build number multiple times, then enter your pin. It will show you this. Once you've done that, it will show you this message, allow development settings. Click on OK. Once you've done that, go back again, scroll down. You will now see new option, developer options. Click on it. So inside the developer options, you need to scroll down to the debugging section, and you will see this wireless debugging. Click on it. So for wireless debugging to work, first you need to connect to the same network, Wi-Fi network. As you can see, it's already connected, and in my laptop I need to connect to it again. I need to know that they should be connected to the same network. Let me just turn it off and connect again, reconnect again. And here I am using Antigravity IDE to and have a Flutter project open so that I can show you how to run the app. Now that I know they're on the same network, I need to go to the terminal. As you can see here, open a new terminal, which you can see here. Then I will need to type the following: adb, then pair, then finally go to your phone again, and then turn on wireless debugging. It will show you this message to allow debugging on this network. If it's a home network, you can toggle this always allow on this network, or just click on allow and it will show you to connect. So once I am here, you click on this pair device with pairing code. Click on it. When you click on it, you will get this Wi-Fi pairing code and the IP address with the port. So using the IP address and port inside your IDEs, where we just type down adb pair, type in the IP address, then the port. So the port is 3. Once I have this, click on enter, then you get this enter pairing code. So the pairing code is also located from your phone here, which you can see. Then you just type it in inside your terminal. That would be 166005. Click on enter. See, once you do that, you will get this successfully paired to the network with a unique ID. The other thing you can verify is inside the ID, I see this SM wireless Android ARM 64 device, and on my phone I can see that the currently connected device, which is the MK desktop. So once I have it connected, let me just put it next to the screen here. So since I'm using a Flutter app, we just go here and run the debug option here. So now the app is being run on the device, so it will take some time to install it. You can check it out in the debug console. Here it says launching on SMA36B in debug mode. So now it's just building the app on the phone wirelessly. Give it some time to finish. So once the build is finished, it's running the app, as you can see. And now we are debugging the Flutter app on my actual phone, as you can see. So this is how you would connect to your Flutter application wirelessly. So during the connection period, if you do have some issue, like if it cannot connect, you can just reconnect to the Wi-Fi here, right? You just disconnect and then you can just reconnect again. And the other is from your phone, still inside the developer options, there is this revoke USB authorization here. You can just click on it and click on OK so that it can reset the authorized uh, connections, and then you can just retry the same process with the adb pair command. So this is how you would wirelessly debug your Flutter application. It can also work for React Native, also any other uh, Android or Kotlin multi-platform solutions. So if you like the video and if you like more content like this, please be sure to subscribe, like, and drop a comment. Thank you, and until next time.